Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our midday analysis. So actually, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to also do a second video for our minor pairs. Minor pairs is actually those pairs that they don't actually go with the dollar. So, and there are people who are actually trading those pairs. So I thought, you know what, just because I can't actually do the analysis on one video, because that video is gonna be like 1 hour. So I said, let me just create another one. I think I did talk about this last week, but what we're going to do here is, so that you don't really get confused, after this, like starting from tomorrow, this will be on this channel, but from tomorrow you will find this video on the other channel. So it means if maybe you want to follow those analysis, you have to actually do what? You have to actually analyze on that channel, right? So where is that channel? I've been sharing this channel. Fortunately, I also changed the name. It's actually Xtrahot Forex Extras. It's actually, you're gonna add this extras, so you're going to get it here. So you can see here we already have a few videos on this channel, and you can see where I was talking about that 500 rands to that amount. So you can try to check on that. And if you analyze, if you subscribe, it means you're not gonna miss future updates on this minor pairs, because I'm gonna do them every day, quite similar to the main channel, right? Or quite similar to here, but it's gonna be on a different one, so that you can get them very easy. So on this channel also, it's where we're gonna talk about that 500 trends going further, because already we started opening some trades. And if you are in that, if maybe you did follow that, or if you are in the group already, you saw me sending the signals about that. So the analysis or the signal that we took, it was actually on Nasdaq, and I see that Nasdaq today is trying to push a little bit lower. We were in a smaller smaller profit. I think it was 20 something. Now we back on around maybe one rand or something. So let's check that account. You can see here, oh, we are still on 4. So you can see here it's still that 500. We don't really have any history. We did not really trade. So I'm still waiting for this to push the upside. Now it seems like the dollar is gonna be stronger a little bit. So again, on that, we are doing minor pairs. So yeah, let's go on the minor pairs. There is so many people who are going to actually, or who are trading this. So again, guys, I forgot to let you know that we are going to continue with that $48 special. So let me know this is going to continue for now. Then I'll tell you when I reach the number that I'm going to look for. So I will also repeat when times goes on. So I forgot to let you know early in the morning. So I will start with this GBPJPY going down. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We will start here. We will start here. Sometimes it can be difficult, especially if you never checked what's really happening with this pairs. So I don't really like the, I used to not to like them, because the moves, they are quite crazy, but we have to evolve and add some other things, right? So what's really happening here is GBPJPY, it's actually on a nice uptrend. It's actually aggressively pushing to the upside. But where we are now, I'm expecting to see the market respecting this area. I think a daily is gonna be a much better. So when you trade this type of pairs, I think you have to understand that time frames are going to be very important. You can see that on top here we have this sort of a resistance, and you see that every time when the market was touching that level, the market was pushing lower. I'm also expecting the same thing here. Even though we are on an uptrend, I'm still expecting to see the market pushing a little bit lower. So guys, we have some very good stuff going on. For those, we had a team where last year we had a sort of a mentorship. So you can see, I see few people here are winning, guys. Someone said, I had my first green week since going live January 1st. Finally, I got out of break even. This is good, guys. This is good because people are making it. I see the other one, which actually he sent also the certificate today. He said, Kenzo, thank you. I already passed phase 1 and phase 2 challenge of prop firm, which is very good. So going further is just different stuff. And my brother here actually already blown 8 accounts, which is actually very good. So you can see the certificate there. I don't really want to show you the names exactly on that certificate. So it's that thing that you say actually have to understand that, yeah, there are people who actually are eating and there's people who actually improve. Quite similar to that 500 trends account. If you join the team, you can take exactly the signals that I'll be taking. And which means if we lose, we lose together. And if we make money, it means we're going to make that together, right? So let's push to the next one, which is going to be EURAUD. I'm still going to leave it here on a daily time frame. So what's really happening? You can easily see that, yes, the market is actually on this nice uptrend. But on top here, we have this sort of resistance, which is actually pushing the market to go down or lower. But at the end of the day, you can see that is actually a wedge structure. So which means we're just waiting for a breakout before we start to go aggressively on that uptrend, because actually the structure here, it shows us that we are on an uptrend. So we're just waiting for few moves, then we will be going up, unless if the market breaks out, as it seems like the market is trying to go towards that structure. I hope you're gonna subscribe on the new channel, guys, because I will be sending this on that new channel, right? So now we are on AUD USD. This is not actually a minor pair, but I will also cover it because I think maybe I did not really set my things very nice. I was supposed to do minor pairs, but what you can see here is previously the market was actually on a very nice uptrend. Guess what? The market broke out. Now we are actually looking for this continuous sell, and it seems like it's going to continue like that. It seems like dollar is getting stronger again. We can see a reversal here because the market was trying to push a little bit up, but now it's back again. And we had a pending order, but the market actually went a little bit higher there. So I hope my people, they did adjust those stop losses as I did discuss with them. So yes, on this structure, I'm expecting the dollar to get stronger, and I'm expecting to see it going even down, right? So let's see. USDCHF. This is not a minor pair, but anyway, let me just go straight to that. The market is actually, or it was downtrending. The market was downtrending. You can see that. So we can see the market is actually breaking out. So which means the dollar is getting stronger. So we expecting to see the market pushing up. You can see that I'm not really prepared because I was supposed to do minor pairs only, but we have this dollar pairs coming. So it's fine. Tomorrow everything will be on the next level. The market will be, the preparation will be on the next level, because sometimes, just because we do this every day, sometimes when you start something new, it's not really as familiar as what I'm used to. I'm used to gold and Nasdaq, right? So what do we see here? We have a very, very nice structure, but I think the best way, it will be clearing everything that we see here, because we have so many stuff or so much stuff going on there. So what we can say here is we had a previous uptrend. From this area. It was pushing up, and that changed because now we have something like that. So now the market is actually on a downtrend as the market broke out. So let's draw that resistance and see if maybe we're gonna get something very nice, because we are expecting to do what? We are expecting to look for that sell. So let's try to draw. I think this way it's much better. I did cut a one candlestick there just to make sure that I touch enough candlestick, I will do that. Or I'm not forced to go as back as that area. I think maybe I'll have to stop here. Let's stop there. So now we have something like this. I drawn my resistant area. So on this resistant area, you can easily see that yes, the market is actually trying to show us that, you know what, we are pushing, we are going down. But where we are, the market is it's a very important area, because it's where the market can start to do what? It's where the market can start to push even lower. So on the bottom side, the market gave us something. So it means we have to mark that area also. If the market keeps continuing, we will think about that zone also, because yes, the market can easily reach that level. So yeah, on AUDJPY, I'm expecting to see the market continuing, or on that sell. I think maybe on 2 hours that can also be visible. Let's see. Come on. 2 hours. Yeah, even on 1 hour. So it means where we are on a very nice resistant area. We can have something like this. Simple. Do you see that? We can have something like that. So yeah, I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the lower side. I think this can be a very nice trade, right? So let's see. Let's push to the next one. I don't really want to make this video very long. Already we are on that 12 minutes. So now we are actually on AUD CAD. What's really happening? You can see that previously the market was pushing to the upside, which it was actually straightforward. I like this support there, and even the breakout is just straightforward. So let's push to what's really happening currently. Please guys, don't forget to go to that channel and subscribe, because this video will be sent on that. So yeah, this doesn't really make sense there, so I don't really have to force that. Okay, no, we can force this one here, because it's only one thing as it touches here. So but no, it's fine. No, let's try to have something. It's not really a perfect one, but we can, for now we can have that, so that we can understand where the market is going. You can easily see that yes, since the market broke out, we have this nice resistance. You can see that we have this nice resistance, and the market is actually pushing lower and lower. You can see the market was consolidating here, going down, and I'm still expecting to see something like that continuing, pushing lower. So what I see here is gonna be a very nice thing if the market breaks out, because you can look for that sell. If we look for that sell here, that will be very great. I'm expecting to see a push to the lowest side, right? So let's push to the next one, which is gonna be Euro AUD. I think this one we did take it yesterday or a few days ago, but I think it reversed, because I think we actually had a sell pending order around this area, but it's still actually a very valid structure or a downtrend. I'm expecting to see the market going down. So let's go on a daily time frame so that you can see what's really happening. You can see where we are. It's actually a very interesting area, guys. It's a very interesting area. We had something like this for several days. So even here, the market might repeat whatever that happened before. You can see this is how the market is going to move, unless if maybe the market decides to break out, then it's gonna be a different story, right? So let's see what's really happening. Something like this might also, yeah, I think this sell pending order, it might be a very good one here, something like that. Do you see that? So I think we might have a very nice sell around this area. We might have a very nice sell. So let's see what's really happening on the next one. Euro and South African rand. So you can see on this one we had a buy pending order, but yeah, it's been moving quite slower. So I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So what do we have? It's something like this. I'm expecting to see the market continuing like that. So yeah, So let's go actually on 4 hours time frame and see if maybe we can get something. So you can see that if you have a proper strategy, it can actually work on so many pairs. You don't really have to change it here and there, but you have to adjust it. So you have to adjust it for, sorry, so you have to adjust it just so that you can match whatever that you will be trading around that time. But for now here, I hope my people did smash. I saw the comments. He said, I forgot the name. He said, yeah, he was actually eating there, but unfortunately the market did reverse, but it seems like it's going to push the upside. I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. Unfortunately, it seems like the market here, it does actually consolidate a little bit, right? So anyways, let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually, let's see, GBPCHF. Okay, so I think this one I sent yesterday. So what's really happening here is we are on a down trend structure. The market is actually going down, but I ended up using my curved structure because you can see that these areas make sense, guys. These areas make sense. So I think that area or this resistance will just make sense as I'm expecting. So you can see that around this level, it's actually a nice resistance. Let me just push or zoom a little bit closer. You can see that we have a sell pending order around this area, as I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the lower side. As you can see that the market is touching our resistance, so which means yes, there is a chance for the market to push lower. Why? You can see before that every time when the market touches this area, we end up seeing the market going even lower and lower, and that's what I see, and that might also happen. Unfortunately, for those who don't know, the market sometimes will not actually react the way you want. The market will sometimes go slower, but at the end of the day, 3 days later, we might find the market around this level and we will be eating if you took that. So let's push to the next one. Yeah, this video is getting longer and longer. I forgot to give my people this signal. I forgot to give my people these signals, but anyway, it's fine. So what's really happening on CAD JPY? You can easily see that no, the market is actually on a very nice bullish momentum. The market is actually pushing to the upside. So what we had here was a very nice resistance, and the market just broke out. So I missed that, but I did mark that I think yesterday, but I forgot about that. So I can see now it's pushing up very nice, but you can see that it did touch our support area and we also broke out of this resistance, which means we will see a continuation like that, but we will catch it once it comes for a retest. So we're not gonna chase this trade, right? So let's check the other one. So another thing that you should do, guys, I think you should just tell me which of these minor pairs I should check for you. You know, the ones that you trade, I don't really trade them that much. Not that much. I don't really trade them at all. So tell me if maybe you are the ones that you are following, then I will try to check them out for you, and it's gonna be every day. But just know that only today we're going to post it here on this channel, and from tomorrow it's gonna be on the other channel, which is here. You can just go there. I will also do the link, copy the link on the comment section. So another thing is, guys, yes, we are going to resume with our special $48 special. Why? Because I want us to eat together, especially on that $26 or 500 rand challenge. If you copy exactly what I will be doing in the group, I will be marking every signal that I will be taking. If you do that, obviously I know that you're gonna make it, because I'm very 100% sure that that account is gonna grow. It doesn't really matter how much it's gonna reach, but it's just going to grow. Why? Because I don't really have a limit. Yes, when you set the plans, when you set the risk management, whatever, yes, actually we can make 16K within 10 months. 16K in dollars, I think, is 200 or 300 something in rands, 300 something thousand in rands. So if you join us on that and just focus on that account, and the recommended broker for that it's Xness. If you're also going to check or use the same broker, then we will be just doing the same thing. We will be just doing the same thing. So so thank you very much. You can just WhatsApp me if you want to be part of the team, or you can just use these numbers here or the QR code. Yes, you can see on the screen we still have those special, but with this just because I want people to see that yes, you can still make it with those smaller accounts. So it's gonna be a sort of a weekend special. So this special is gonna end this weekend on Sunday. So whoever who's gonna join there, I just want you to be the proof that yes, you can still trade and make something from that smaller account. So before we call it, I see this is also a very nice one here. It's a GBPAUD. It was a very nice downtrend. You can see the market was going down. Now we have this breakout. The market is also doing what? It's consolidating. So we're just waiting for the market to break this resistance before we start to fly, before it start to push to the upside. Anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo. So we started with our minor pairs. Yeah, actually it's a job now, so it means I'll try to do them early so that I can send them around 8-9 there, so that you can see what's really happening before most of the market opens, right? So anyways, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also go on the other channel and subscribe there, because I will be sending these videos there. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. So bye.